In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online. If you've been wondering how to handle refunds efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in. If you're already on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll need to head to the upper right of your screen and click on Sign In. This will take you directly to the login page. Remember to select QuickBooks Online, ensuring you're accessing the correct environment for this specific task. Once you're on the sign-in page, it's time to enter your credentials. Typing in your username and password, make sure everything is correct, then click Continue. If you have trouble with your login information, QuickBooks offers support options like account recovery tools to help you gain access swiftly. As you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. Here, you're going to locate the New tab, typically situated on the left navigation pane. Clicking on this brings up a drop-down list of options. From the list, select Refund Receipt. This is your entry point for processing a customer refund. With the refund receipt open, the next step is selecting your customer. QuickBooks will prompt you to input your customer's name, or you can choose from a drop-down menu of existing customers. Selecting the correct customer ensures your refund is recorded accurately against the right account. Once your customer is selected, it's time to add your account. Now this part is crucial because the account you select will dictate where the funds are being refunded from. Double check this to align with your bookkeeping practices. Next, you'll need to include the product or service specifics that are being refunded. You can do this by adding the items to the refund receipt, ensuring each line of the receipt is correctly filled out with the appropriate return details. This is a great way to keep organized records and ensure everything matches up correctly for your reports. After filling out all necessary fields on the refund receipt, the final step is clicking on Save and Close. This action not only saves your work but also exits the current window, bringing you back to your main dashboard. Alternatively, you could choose to save and new if you have another transaction to record. And there you have it, you've successfully recorded a refund in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps carefully, you can efficiently manage refunds, keeping your records precise and up to date. If you have any questions or encounter issues, QuickBooks provides excellent customer support to guide you through any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.